So 8:30 open. 8:30, wait for 9:30 open. Okay. Okay. So mayroon kita na to first for our not really, not a drive by liquidity. Let's form a fair value gap. Here we have a 2-hour fair value gap. So can this be an order block? I don't know yet. But it's in a 2-hour fair value gap, so probably. But we do have an SMT here, bearish SMT. So maybe close. We have an SMT there. Let's see if we have already rebalanced to the equilibrium. Yep, we already rebalanced the equilibrium, so this order block is hit. It's already mitigated. But we have to see an internal structure for us to take a trade. Oh, we have here I think a liquidity point. But if this is gonna be taken, then there will be an SMT bullish. If this liquidity point will be taken for the XY, then we'll have a SMT for EURUSD. Let's wait. This can be also a 15-minute bearish order block because this have a sweep right here. After that sweep, we have here a 5-minute inverse and PPR, and then we have a candle close here, market structure shift in the time frame. But let's see some internal structure for us to take a trade. Let's see also the news. Oh, there's only 45 news, but it's bad, so it's okay to trade this. Let's see for more structure. Okay, that order block got mitigated. Let's see the reaction. Is there some kind of internal structure that we can trade? Oh, missing Barabida. SMT cord here. So is this now a 3-minute order block? Let's see. Let's see. Might be. Prices. This SMT right here was just to, I think, to rebalance price back to this 15-minute order block. What I'm thinking is this SMT right here is just used to rebalance price back to this 15-minute order block, because if we look at higher time frame, this price did not close above this 15-minute candle. Oh, it just spoke. I think it just spoke that this is not really holding. It has a candle close, but after this closure, there's still huge displacement to the downside. So I think the drawn liquidity is still this on the XY. So I'm leaning a little bit bearish here. 15-minute order block is still holding. 15-minute SMT also, there's a 15-minute SMT, and then 15-minute value gap. So we'll just wait for internal structure. This is not now a 3-minute order block. This is not the fake. That's fake. We have here now a 1-minute inverse. Still no entry. Maybe there's an SMT. Let's see. Oh, SMT. Wait. Okay, price swept. No sweep here. So SMT na naman. Oh, this is a 60-minute order block. The price is playing inside the zone of order blocks. Another sweep. But let's be patient until everything is clear. We have here a 5-minute bearish value gap. But I'm a bit more bearish for today. Let's wait for internal structure. time is it? It's already 10:07. Let's see. Is this a sweep or no? No, it's not a sweep. Price is ranging. You should watch out. You should look at to trade this because price is ranging. Let's wait for structure. Okay. Still can't make a setup right there, so no entry. Still wait. Still waiting. Okay, price took this high. And the XY did not. Still no structure. Okay, SMT. SMT plus SMT inside this 15-minute order block. See how this body are respecting the 15-minute order block. Okay. And then reach this placement to the downside. So in this 15-minute order block, we also have here a 5-minute order block. 5-minute order block. So we'll just wait for retracement up. Oh, actually we can. I think we can enter to this zone. More structure. Okay, candle close below here. I think we can enter. Let's wait for another candle. We can enter right here. Stop loss will be above this high. Then take profit will be right here. So let's see. 2.5 open 0.6367.
Tug na lang niya ha?
Oh.
Pag ang suga ha?
Oh.
Mauna na po.
So now let's hope and pray. Let's see. Oh, we got in. Wait, I did not take setup. Oh, okay. Is this us? Okay, wait, take profit. We take profit as not setup. 1.0623. 1.0626. 1.06231. 1.06231. Wait, the DXY. Nope, not yet taken. So let's put this here. This is our drawn liquidity. Our drawn liquidity is on the XY. So let's just let the trade happen. Okay, it's already taken on the XY, so I'm gonna close this trade. Okay, good trade. Because now there's SMT on the XY. I'm happy with that trade. Okay, good trade. I could have left some runners here, but nevertheless, good trade. Again, if we recap the trade, we have a 15-minute order block with an SMT right around here, and after that, we have generated sell side liquidity here, and then we can see an entry in here, so we waited for this sweep inside this 15-minute order block, and then we can see that there's a market structure shift in the 1 minute. Here, 1 minute market structure shift, and we entered on this 1 minute for value gap that formed inside also a 1 minute breaker, and our drawn liquidity was on the XY. Drawn liquidity was this obvious high in the XY. So could have been much better if we leave some runners, but all is well. So time to journal.